What's up, guys? It's your boy Malcolm Eugene, and I got a new toy today, the QooCam 8K from Candow. We're gonna get into an unboxing right after this. What's up, guys? It's your boy Malcolm Eugene, and I'm here to help you take your video to the next level. I have the QooCam 8K by Candow, and we're gonna do a little unboxing of this. Now, this is my first unboxing video, so please bear with me, but we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do this ASMR style. Not really. So, QooCam 8K. Let's unbox it. Put that there. Oh, the packaging, it's not too bad. I like the metallic Q on there. Take a look at that right there. I'm gonna just slip this right on down. The reason I pre-ordered this because it's one of the first consumer level 8K 360 cameras. And I feel like 8K is definitely a substantial increase over like the typical 5.6 or 5.7K on your typical 360 cameras, especially when you're looking at things in VR. But the huge reason why I pre-ordered this particular camera is because it did have a bigger sensor. And in my line of work, I do a lot of low light work, and I do a lot of work, say, you know, in convention centers shooting cosplay stuff. So lighting's not always the best. Having a bigger sensor is gonna help me take advantage of the most dynamic range. So yeah, this here is huge. This camera is massive. So I used to have the GoPro Max. Ended up getting rid of it because I did not like the quality in low light for me. So take a look at that. Thing is massive. That's the screen too. Screen is also much bigger than what the Max was able to offer. But that thing, it's basically a weapon. So we're just gonna set that there. See what else comes in this box. What's this? What is this? Oh, looks like we get a little silicone sleeve to put on there, which is pretty cool. It'll help protect it from bumps and bruises, or I guess you could say. So yeah, I'll just put that right there. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. This seems to be like a bunch of paperwork. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, stickers. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on like my laptop or something, so yeah, dope. I guess this is for me to mention, like this wasn't sent out for me for free. I pre-ordered this, I bought it, I paid full price. I don't have any kind of sponsorship with Candow at all. I was just really excited to actually get this camera, so I definitely spent my hard-earned money for it. But yeah, holy crap, this book is freaking thick. Look at that. It is freaking thick, dude. That is a Bible. Holy moly. Look at that. I'll be honest, I'm probably not gonna read it because I'm not too keen on reading instructions. So we're just gonna throw that over there. Oh, what else is in the box? It looks like we got a protective carrying case for it, which is really nice. You know, nice neoprene material. Take a look at that there. Super dope, super dope. Put that right there. Wrist strap. This here is gonna be a wrist strap for it. Little nice thing, screws into the bottom. So definitely it screws into the bottom there. Just tighten that up. Looks like it goes in like that. Put that here. Of course, we got 1,000 cords. Let's see what we have here. USB-C to USB-A. I'm going to assume that's for charging because the battery on this thing, it is built in. It's a built-in battery, not removable like the GoPros, but we'll see how it lasts because, you know, shooting 8K footage, it's gonna drain a lot of battery, so we'll see how long it lasts. Put that there. USB-C to USB-C, not too sure what that is for exactly, probably the same as the other. And we have USB-C to micro USB here. So take a look at that. All right, is that everything? That is everything. I'll just put that there. So when I pre-ordered this camera, it came with a couple of bonus gifts. Well, one bonus gift really, but I got the Candow QooCam selfie stick, which this thing is, it's pretty massive. And I mean, as a free gift, I definitely wasn't mad. Comes with a little phone holder so you can't control the actual 360 camera while you do have it out there, which is really nice. Tripod, which I am not a fan of this style of tripod. It doesn't feel too significant. I like the ones that are more like an extended grip so you can actually hold it out, you know, a little extra distance if you need to. But yeah, tripod there. Take a look at that. Phone holder. But yeah, put that there. So that was my unboxing of the Candao QooCam 8K. What did you guys think? Please let me know down in the description below. Hopefully I'm gonna get a chance to test this out. I definitely want to take it into some low light environments to be able to see if this is gonna be able to add to my workflow, because I'm just excited. You know, this is my second 360 camera, but this is my first unboxing, so yeah. Anyways, like this video, subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna put out that test video so you guys can figure out if you want it or not. Other than that, my name is Malky B. Jean and I am out. What's up, guys? Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And of course, if you're viewing this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I'm posting next.